good with y'all? Appreciate y'all checking into another video. As you can see by the title, I'm up here in North Carolina today. 17 Dragway. Came up here to see what they got going on, man, and support the track. And much love to my buddy Chris Moore. He's the track manager here, so you know y'all in North Carolina, y'all make sure to come check the track out. This is not my first time being here. This is my second time being here, but I haven't been here in about 2 years, so just got here. Nice little drive. So what I'm about to do, I'm about to walk around, catch some of the cars on the vlog and all of that. Let y'all see what we got going on, what we got in here, and then, you know, if you're looking at this, then you need to slide over to the main channel, check out some of the footage I got from here. But hope y'all enjoy the vlog. Stay tuned in, and let's get into the video. Alright, y'all, so we got a nice Camaro in here. So I'm just walking around, checking everything out for y'all. Got some Mustangs, some street cars in here. It's gonna be some 28 275 action going on today, so should be pretty straight. Like I said, some trucks and all that, Mustangs. So y'all definitely stay tuned in to the vlog. I might catch some racing on the actual vlog too, so y'all can see and everything. Like I said, pretty much the facility, bathrooms right there, all of that. So you got bad boy up in here in the trailer. It's a nice one. So yeah. Alright, look y'all, for the vlog. Look. Go ahead and tell everybody, plug everything.
I'm 660 Productions. I'm trying to be like J Malcolm. I go to all the tracks like him. I film for here, everywhere. Like, I'm just trying to make good racing videos and keep good content. That's all I want.
So look, y'all, I got it linked below. I got it on the screen too. Go subscribe, man, cause he doing his thing, trying to come up. He working, man. He working hard. Y'all make sure to go subscribe for real and show him. Look, show him. I want him to see a spike in his subscription. I want him to know, hey, y'all came over, did his thing, cause he doing some good content. And look, hold on, wait a minute. Let me see. You just told me you broke your suction cup mount. I'm gonna let you borrow it, but him, you can have it. You can have it. Yeah, that's yours. You doing your thing. You just said you broke it. You thought I was gonna let him borrow it, y'all, but you can have it, man. It's an extra one. I go get me another one. So, hey, I want to see you do your thing for real. So,
660 Productions.
660 Productions. Y'all make sure you go subscribe, man. Show love and all that. All right, y'all. So we checking in on the vlog. Look who pulled up. My big brother out here with me, OSK Media.
OSK Media now.
Y'all make sure go subscribe and everything. Everybody in the house out here today at 710.
Oh yeah.
Y'all see we got 660 right there. Y'all saw him early in the vlog on where he going down. We got the Bel Air down there on the track, man. He just left super hard. And the car cut out, lost power, whatever. So we got some more stuff. We out here getting it in, y'all. 17 Dragway. It's cooling off. About to go down, so like I said, I'm gonna catch some cars going down on the vlog for y'all, just so y'all can watch on the vlog too. But I'm just checking in with everybody and just stay tuned in. Yeah, y'all see that my buddy Chris out here working at the track manager, y'all. 17. But love to Chris. I see he out here getting it in. So y'all up at the track, man, come see 710. Good bad Mustang, we're about to make a pass. It just leaking hydraulic oil with transmission fluid, you know.
Alright, we got a little brake jack.
Alright y'all, so this the end of the vlog. Action-packed day. Had an amazing time at 7:10, man. I'm literally just getting in the house. It's 2:20. It's 2:20. It's 2:20 in the morning. I had to come back. Normally, if I mean, it was a 4-hour trip, man. I'm just letting y'all know so y'all know the sacrifice and time that goes into creating these videos, and I'm dedicated to what I do, and I love what I do. Just got in at 2:20. Like I said, tired. I'm about to import this footage, so I probably won't get in the bed until, my bad about the camera shake. I'm tired, man. Just excuse me, but I probably won't get in the bed till about 4:30 in the morning, cause I gotta import this stuff, cause I gotta be up. I could just use another card, but I want to clean the card off. I gotta be in Reynolds, Georgia tomorrow at Silver Dollar. So I'm finna import this stuff, like I said, and start to get the batteries that I use, charge them up. So this is what go into. This is what I do. I mean, this ain't nothing new. So like I said, just getting in. Hope y'all enjoyed the vlog. It was amazing time. Like I said, shout out to Chris Moore. That's my buddy, track manager 710. And shout out to 660 Productions, man. That's my little homie. Y'all make sure to go subscribe to him for real. He's doing his thing. Help him come up. Shout out to Turbo John. Amazing set of guys, man. Glad to meet them. And OSK Media. Like I said, y'all see he was in the house today, so shout out to everybody, man. I'm finna close the vlog out. I'm out.